Hi guys, we are here at Caesars in Atlantic City and it's time for a renovated suite tour. Today we're going to be showing you a renovated Tribune suite with 2 double beds. I just had to ring the bell to let you know you're entering the suite. So as you come in, you have the map of the hotel showing you where this room is located, not far from the elevator, but it is not a handicap accessible suite. To your right, you have a connecting door that connects to the suite next door, which I believe might be another Tribune suite, but with a king-size bed. And that's about it, other than your light switch over there that turns on the hall light. As we come into the main part of the room, you have a full-length mirror if you decide to check yourself out before going on to the boardwalk or downstairs. You have your TV entertainment console here, which has your plugs, AC and 3 prongs, your light switch for the backlit lights, your coat hanger rack, place to put your shoes, your Caesars Eats menu if you want to order that. I don't do that. In this drawer, you have the mini fridge. It's empty, nothing in it, but you can put whatever you'd like in there. You have a safe. There's no money in there, unfortunately. And you have drawers to store stuff. Not much in there. Nothing in there, in fact. Here's your connectivity port for the TV. Some more 3 prongs and A and C USB ports. This is a suite, but it does not have a Keurig. It has a standard coffee maker with standard coffee cups and some paintings along the wall, along with your lamp and chairs. Now keep in mind, your office setup is over here, your Ethernet port hookup is over there. And let's take you back over that way on the wall. You have your temperature controls, which I do not believe have the lens setup to get into lens mode. You have switches for the lights. One controls the wall lights, one dims the other. A beautiful wall painting here on the wall, which I think is very cute and eclectic. Very nice for the room. You have the 2 wall sconces, and you have your 2 double beds as well in this suite. This is a 2 double suite. It's not 2 queens. They could easily fit, as you see the edges of the frame could be extended. But in this room, different from the king size version, you have 2 little chairs and 2 little tables. In the king size version, you have a couch in the front. Bigger couch. Not big enough, I believe, to sleep anyone on it. And you have 2 Felicity pillow top. These are not Euro top, but very comfortable mattresses. You have your under bed storage here, your plugs by the bed, AC 3 prong, and your light for the back, and your light for under, and those 2 circles are for the backlight light. There. You've got your Caesars artwork on the wall, as all the renovated rooms do, which is nice. Your antimicrobial phone. I believe it's antimicrobial. You have the little alarm clock. Too basic for me, no offense. And each bed has 3 pillows, which is good. Sometimes you don't even get 2. Here's another connecting door. If you go beyond this connecting door, that will take you into a senator suite. Next, let me take you into the bathroom. I want to show you what that puppy looks like. As you come in on your left, first thing you notice are the light switches. One that dims the lights, another is a different switch for another light in the bathroom. You have another painting as you come into the toilet closet. You have a light switch for that. If you want it on or off, you have the toilet, an extra roll of toilet paper, a standard roll of toilet paper. That door does lock, as does this one. So So you can close that off for privacy. But before we do that, I'll take you into the closet in the bathroom here. Now keep in mind, this closet does not have an auto light. You have to turn it on manually. So in the closet, you have my dirty clothes up top. You have coat hangers, not the puffy kind like at the Wynn. You have luggage rack, ironing board, hair dryer, steam iron for your ironing board, some drawers to store stuff in. There's nothing in them. You have your laundry bag if you want to pay for that, because some people do. Some people could give a crap about washing clothes. They'd rather someone else do it. Why pay? To your left here, you have a beautiful soaking tub. I don't believe this is a bubbler tub, but it's nice. It does the duty. It was very nice. And it has that little extender hose that you can pull up. You lift up that second one right there, and that goes off. And can spray you for like your hair and stuff. You have some extra towels, some which I already used. A bath mat, shower mat, soap in the shower, the 2 shower heads. I adjusted them lower because obviously they can go higher if you want them to. And as you can tell, if the knob here is set in the center, it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit for the water. Turn it left for heat, turn it right for cold. And each one turns on a different switch, as you just saw. With that, now let me take you to the rest of the bathroom here. You have the double sinks, a huge backlit mirror with tissues, conditioner, shampoo, lotion, which is right there. Caesar Rewards cups, facial bars of soap, some more regular soap for the tub, and some hand towels below that you can use if you need. I did pull some of the towels, so that's why some are missing. And you have a beautiful makeup mirror on top of that. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, because I feel like I am. But this all in all is a decent suite, but I would not pay again to upgrade to this suite. It was $88 extra a night. Wouldn't do it again. It's just, this is something I feel that's so small they could comp it. Like they would in Vegas, like a studio room. This room is on the 87th floor. So you have a view of the city one way. If you look to the right, it's an ocean view, but it's hard to see because it's late at night and a little chilly out there. You have a view of the Centurion Tower, a view of Suite 1200 down there, that top floor there. That suite's really dated, so. But all in all, this is a room tour of the Tribune suite, newly renovated with 2 double beds. And it's a non-smoking room. Now this is November 9th, and one of the elevators is down, so keep that in mind if you're staying in the Ocean Tower. So you might have delays getting up and down the elevator. But other than that, I hope you enjoy the room. Let me know what you think. You think it should be 2 queens? I think so. Take care.